All right, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy CZFX back at it with another video. This is a very lit video. I just had my biggest trading day on this account. I just made $2,594.99 today. So as you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen, but right here at the bottom, right here, right on my MT4, you can see it, $2,594.99. So it's been a very lit day. I just caught this 1 to 5, and then I caught like a clean 1 to 2 during London session. So I'm going to be breaking down these two trades for you guys real quick so you guys can see these two trades. And this was just an amazing trade right here. So I'm going to show you guys right now. This was a trade I just took. I just closed out. I might honestly start looking to trade live, like either go live on YouTube or on Twitch, or possibly just record me trading live, breaking down what I see live, and then just chopping the video up and then just posting to YouTube. It'll probably be like a 30-minute video or like a 20-minute video breaking down like exactly how I trade. If you guys want to see that, let me know and I'll gladly put that out for you guys. And by the way, my markup, my trade, I did have it going all the way down here, but that's a 100 pip move. And, you know, to ask for 100 pips in one session is kind of like, ugh. You know, it's possible, but I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Like I just caught like 50 pips right here. And I was risking only like 10 pips. So 1 to 5, you know what I'm saying? And here was the before and after. So you guys can see I did take the trade. I did post it. So this was the trade. 10.4 pips was my stop loss, and price literally just tanked, hit my TP1, and I closed. I did get stopped at first, and I reassessed the market, and then I came back and I re-entered my trade. And then this was the trade I took during London session that I made 2.25 times my risk. So let's break down these trades. Let's get into it. All right. So if we look at GBPJPY on the 4-hour time frame, we see that, and I'm going to remove the sessions for you guys. We see that price literally hit this trend line. You see every time price has hit this trend line, you had major rejections from this point. Overall, GJ has been in a downtrend for like the past, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, almost nearly a month. So it's been like in this downtrend, creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Price hit this very strong level where price rejected from. You have rejection right here. You know what I'm saying? Rejection. Huge push when price breaks above this zone, huge rejection, and then price comes back to that point. You have support being broken, retested as resistance, and then you have price rejecting off this trend line, and price is overall in a downtrend. Plus, if we look at the 1 day, right, the daily, we've seen that price was ejecting off the 20 SMA. So there were so many confluences for price to go down, in my opinion. So what I did, I scaled it and I went down on a 15-minute time frame, and I started to see multiple things. I started to see divergence, right? Right here, you have divergence. That was one of my clues. On top of all the clues I just showed you, we had divergence. We had structure being broken. Price right here created that new low. Right here, that new low. Price created a new high, pushes down, creates a new low. Broke below these lows. If you drop down to the 5-minute, you can see that price crossed. The SMEs crossed. The reason why they crossed is because price was closing below and making lower lows and lower lows and lower lows, right? So when price came back up, I was looking to sell it right around here for a retracement. Price was like, nah, we gonna go higher, which I respected. You know what I'm saying? You know, price, you know what I'm saying, came higher. So I waited for my entry. And then right when price got out of the shark fin, when price was saying that it was very oversold, you know what I'm saying, if you're looking at the TDI. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, definitely check out Derek Vandelaire's videos. I'll try to find a video to link it in description. His videos are amazing. Check him out. He's a beast. His trading and Anthony's have just, you know, they gave me a huge edge in the market. I just started really implementing that the past month, and, you know, I'm able to catch $2,500, and I only risked $300 a trade. So for me to make $2,500 in a day, risking only 300, it's like, it's pretty cool. But that's going to go up tremendously because pretty soon, guys, you know, as you guys see in the video, I will be trading on a 450K account. So, well, I'm going to be trading on a 300K account and then a 150K account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one being trade copy to the other. So that's going to be exciting, trading on that big of account. But yeah, man, so you see price created that new low, price pushed back above, rejected off this area. Once I seen that, I had the trend line already set. So I pretty much waited for this candlestick confirmation. I seen that price rejected off that, we had that rejection right there, that bearish engulfing on the 5 minutes. So when the price retraced a little bit after that candle, I entered, put my stop loss right at 154,700, and price just melted, man. And that was my New York session trade that I just took like 5 minutes ago. And then the London session trade, we're going to go right here to break it down. So this is what I was seeing for London session. Price has been in this uptrend, right? This minor time frame uptrend. It's just been creating higher highs and higher lows the entire time. Higher highs and higher lows, trading above the 50 SMA on the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. So what I did was I drew out a trend line, just kind of dissect the market, and I seen that price created this minor time frame downtrend right here, just like this minor time frame retracement was creating low lows and lower highs. Price broke above, retested that market right here. So we had a breakout, this 5-minute candle, and then we had a retest. So I'm paying very close attention to that. I'm like, okay, cool. So right around 1 o'clock, I woke back up and I pretty much seen that price was still around this area. So I kind of just played with it a little bit. I was like, okay, I can see something like this. I can see something like that. But overall, price has broke out of this, right? You see how price created this new highs, right? So you see these highs, price closed above, pushed back into this market. Once I seen that, I was like, this is perfect for me to get on this trade. And we pretty much had like hidden divergence as well. So you had this low all the way down here to this one, like right here is all the way up here. So I was like, okay, we have hidden divergence. We have an uptrend. We have creating new highs. We have so many confluences for price to go up. So what I did was I tried to draw a fib at first, but I couldn't really get a fib entry into it. So what I did was, right, and I'm gonna go to my trade idea so you guys can see it. I always post all my trade ideas. And I recommend it to post your trade ideas so you can see the before and after, see how the market trade. Put when you did it. See, I put London session first trade. You know what I'm saying? First buy. So I know it's my first trade, and I know it's London session, and I know it's Wednesday. And that's stuff that I do to know exactly when I took it, what session I took it, and just, you know, I can go back throughout the week and just back test and see, okay, how I did that, what I did right, what I did wrong. And for this trade, this is exactly what I did. I seen that price was creating lower highs, created this new high, closed above, and then price rejected at this point. I put my stop loss right below those lows. I waited for that candlestick confirmation that price wanted to push up. And literally I looked down. I was literally looking at basketball highlights of like the Lakers versus the Bulls. And I was looking at like Lonzo, like flush threes. He was just flushing threes. And then I look back up and I'm like, I'm out the trade. How am I out the trade? And then I look at my MT4 and see that one candle literally took me out. It was crazy. And yeah, man, that price flew for like 40 pips, man, and just completely hell. I'm gonna take profits. And yeah, it's just been like a great Wednesday. And you could have actually re-entered as well. So if you look right here, you see how price literally around the 4-hour candle. So I could do a video on 4-hour candles and why they're so important to wait for that candle close, because you can literally just get so many entries. I noticed right in the start of a 4-hour candle close and open, that's where you can get these entries. That the way I trade, using Fibonacci and stuff. So if you use Fibonacci and stuff, pay very close attention to the 4-hour for the closes, for the sessions and all that. So you can see how price right at this 4-hour entry open, price gives you a morning star. You know what I'm saying? Morning star candlestick confirmation right here, right in this demand zone. You have price takeoff, comes back into the demand zone. You could have marched up your Fibonacci from here to here. And I'm gonna go to my supply and demand fibs, and price literally took off. You could have put your stop loss right here. Entry, stop loss, take profit. 1 to 6 trade. Could have got out the trade right around here for a 1 to 5. Amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to break down this trade that I took, caught a $2,500 day. I will show you a screenshot right now. Boom. That is a screenshot of a $2,500 day. And if you guys want to see more videos, comment down below. If you guys want to see more things, subscribe, post notifications, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Discord, follow me on this page, because when people start following me again, I have 204 followers. When I start to get more followers again, I'm gonna start to make them public, and they're gonna be like free signals. So if you guys want to take trades like these, you know what I'm saying, boom, trades like these, boom. I probably got more trades like these. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't stop, man. It doesn't stop. Trades like these. This is another trade I took to pass the FTMO, not FTMO, my Forex Funds account. There's tons of winning trades, man. If you guys want to take those type of trades, let me know. And yeah, if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Peace.